welcome to the Parents Math Tutor.
If you already watched my addition and subtraction strategies guide for parents, then you have the background knowledge you need to teach your children addition and subtraction at home. But this is a video just for your children. Sit them down in front of the computer and have them complete a subtraction lesson with me. Let's get into the video. Hi friends, welcome back to the Parents Math Tutor. If you are watching this video right now, it means that we are going to practice subtraction with regrouping together. In this video, we're going to do 3 problems. I'm going to do 2 with you, and then you'll get to solve 1 all by yourself. In order to be successful, you need a pencil and paper or a whiteboard and a marker so that you can follow along with me while we're doing the problems. If at any point during this video you have to pause so that I can slow down and you can catch up, feel free to pause the video at any time. Let's get started. Hello friends. All right, today we are working on subtraction with regrouping. I want you to work with me, so please make sure you have a pencil and paper out and you do all the things I do to help you learn subtraction with regrouping. We're going to start by breaking 71 into expanded form, 70 plus 1, and lining it up with 50 plus 4. I always write my subtraction symbol out to the side so I remember what operation I'm doing. Now, in subtraction, we always start in the ones place. This is really important, especially for subtraction, because a lot of kids, they don't know 1 minus 4, so they'll try to do 4 minus 1. They'll try to go upside down, but we can't go upside down in this problem. We have to start at the top and go to the bottom. But I have a 70 right here that I can break apart. So I think I want to break 70 apart into 60 plus 10. And that way I have a 10 that I can move over into the ones place to help with my subtraction. So I'm not taking the 70 away. I'm just breaking it up into 60 and 10. So when I add the 10 to that 1, it becomes an 11. Now I can do the subtraction. Do you know 11 minus 4? If you don't, you might want to draw a pictorial model of 11 over to the side. And then we can cross out 4 of them. And this way I can see that 11 minus 4 equals 7. Now on the other side, I want to take that 60 and subtract 50, which equals 10. There's my answer. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, we're going to do a different way on the other side. We're going to do pictorial model on the other side. And pictorial model for subtraction is different because I only have to draw the biggest number and I want to cross out the 54. I want to take 54 away from the pictorial model. So I can take 50 away, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, but now I can't take away the 4. But just like I did in expanded form, numbers are flexible. I can break them apart to make math easier. So I'm going to take this rod and I'm actually going to break it apart into 10 units. And now I have plenty of units to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, it looks like I have 1 rod and 7 units left over. So there's 1 10 and 7 ones, which means I got the number 17 when I solved it with pictorial model 2. Let's try another one together. Okay. Let's do another example together. I want you to work with me. So we're going to start with the expanded form of 64, and we're going to take away the expanded form of 17. So what's the expanded form of 64? 60 plus 4. And then we're going to write that minus symbol and we're going to subtract 17, which is 10 plus 7. We have to start in the ones place or else we're going to get the wrong answer. And when we start in the ones place, we have to go from top to bottom. Now, if I have 4 M&Ms, can I give you 7 of them? I can't. That means I need to take this 60 and break it apart. I know I want to use a 10 because 10's a friendly number. 60 is what plus 10? It's 50 plus 10. So we're going to break apart the 60. We're going to leave 50 in the tens place, and we're going to move 10 to the ones place, which makes our 4 a 14. And now we can do the math. 14 minus 7. Oh, that's a double because 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And 50 minus 10 is 40. So this time we got the answer 47. Let's try pictorial model. Remember, for subtraction, you only draw the bigger number. So let's draw 64 with rods and units. Okay, now I need to cross 17 out of my picture. So the 10 is easy. I can take away a 10. But now I need to take away 7. That means I need to break apart a 10 and make it 10 ones. I need to regroup a 10 into 10 ones. Let's cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it looks like I have 7 ones left and 4 tens left. So when I put those in standard form, 4 tens and 7 ones equals 47. Okay, let's get ready to do one all by yourself, and then you can check your work with me. Okay, we are on our last example. So this time on a new piece of paper, you're going to write 42 minus 25. I want you to try to get this answer using expanded form and pictorial model. I'm going to blur my screen, and while my screen is blurred, I'm going to solve as well. I will tell you when I'm almost done solving, so if you're not done yet, you can pause the video and finish your work. But go ahead and take a few minutes right now and try to solve this subtraction problem 2 different ways with regrouping. Okay, if you're not done solving on your own, go ahead and pause the video now to give yourself more time to figure out the answer. I'm going to unblur my video in just a minute to reveal the answer. Great job, friends. You did it. So I think the answer is 17, which is kind of funny. That was one of our other answers a second ago. But when I subtracted with expanded form, I turned the 40 into a 30 by regrouping, and I moved the extra 10 to the ones place, which gave me 12 minus 5, and that equals 7. 30 minus 20 equals 10. And when you put 10 plus 7 together, you get 17. I got the same answer when I regrouped one of my rods and made it 10 units. Great job working on subtraction with regrouping today. I'm so glad that you could join me. Thank you for joining me for another episode of the Parents Math Tutor. Please leave a like and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe so they can help their kids with math. And I hope to see you in the next episode. Have a great one. Bye.